Coulomb's law states that the force between two charges Q1 and Q2 is proportional to the product of the charges Q1 and Q2 and inversely proportional to R square, and direction will be along the line joining both charges. So here F equal to K into Q1 into Q2 by R square, where K is the constant. In case of position vector, you have expression like this Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R square, where AR12 is the unit vector. In case of multiple charges placed in the space in electric field, we have here Q by 4 pi epsilon naught summation K to N and QK into R minus RK by R minus RK cube, where R is the position vector of the charge, particular charge on which we are trying to find the force from the another charges. So here this R1 is the position vector from the origin to the Q1, and this is for the R2, and this is the direction along the line Q1 and Q2. F21 is the force experienced by the charge 1 due to 2, and F12 is the force experienced by the charge 2 due to 1.